Hi guys, so the number one question that I get asked here at Hard Money Bankers is, how does the program work? What do we base the loan amount on? And how much cash am I going to need in the deal? Is there a set percentage down? The answer is no, there's not a set percentage down. So on a $200,000 resale, we're going to lend a maximum of 65% of the after repair value, or $130,000. That's the fixed number. So if your purchase is at 100 and your rehab is 30, plus 10K roughly in closing costs, means at settlement your total costs are going to be 140. Minus our loan is of 130, means you're going to need 10 grand plus or minus of your own cash in the deal. Second scenario, your purchase is 110, your rehab is 35, same fixed closing of 110, total closing costs are 155 at settlement, minus our loan of 130, gives 25K of your own cash needed in the deal. As with every deal that you're going to do, you make your money day one when you buy, and the better of a discount that you can buy at, the less cash you're going to need in the deal. Thanks, and hope to quote your next deal.